Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lucid in the Kitchen. It's been a minute, right? I know you guys missed me. Did you miss me? Comment below if you missed me. I know you don't miss me, but anyways. Welcome back. We're back. I'm back, and you're back, because you're watching Lucid in the Kitchen. You're wondering what fried bird I did, eh? You saw the description and you want to know, what did he do? What bird? What bird? Come see, man. Today, we're going to be doing some turkey. Yep. Turkey wings, by the way, too. Look. See that? Turkey wings. We're going to fry that. Now, my turkey wings is clean, marinated, you know. We're going to fry it, look. In here, you know. The Lucid in the Kitchen pot, you know, look. Oil is hot. But before I do that, I gotta, you know, I'm gonna flour mine. I'm gonna flour it, and you know, so I gotta organize I'm gonna bread it, yeah, sorry. Boom, alright? But I'm gonna add some sazon in my flour. I have a little bit flour, I didn't put too much yet. Oh, and again, I have never fried this like this before. This is first time. We try something new. Lucid in the Kitchen, yeah? If you're new to the channel, I hope you learned something today. Yeah? Sazon in the flour. How did I take? It's supposed to be in here, you know? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, like I say. Sazon in the flour. Yeah, a little bit for now. You didn't press nothing. Oh. Yeah. Sazon in the flour. And now we're gonna add some starch. Yeah, some corny starch, you know. I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want it too crunchy, and I'm gonna mix that up. Yeah, shout out to barbecue Culinus, big up yourself. If you're in Toronto and you need a barber, Culinus is your guy. Culinus is your guy. So I'm gonna mix this up. You know, mixy. Try to get it all in there. And you're gonna add more sazon to give the bread in more flavor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right, don't forget, you know. Don't forget a little thumbs up. And hang on 1 second, yeah? Yep, sazon's in there. Stir it up. Stay tuned, yeah? I'm gonna wait for my oil to heat up and I'll show you the process. Fried bird, Lucid in the Kitchen. Yes, folks, it's time to bread the bird. So I'm gonna reach deep down in to the bottom and get the bird that is already in the seasoning. So this is a big guy, I need small guy. Yes, the bird. I give little squeeze. Oh, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I give little squeeze. You know, so it's not too wet. You know what? I'm gonna drop it in there. You know, you get the flour on top. Oh, bread it up. We shall see. Is it gonna be crunchy? Is it gonna cook? Is it gonna be undercooked? Who knows? But stay tuned and you shall find out, eh? I'm just dusting off, you know? Dusting off, and look at that. I'm gonna add some more again. Thick coat, I think. And that's it right here, so that's one. Okay, where's the big boy? I'll take the big boy out now. And I do the same. I'm gonna put heavy coat on some and light coat on the others. But we start heavy, okay? You're gonna have little flour mess up on the place, but I clean up after while I go along. But yeah, mission in the kitchen. We're gonna fry. Okay, this is gonna be fried and barbecued, okay? Fried, deep fried barbecue flavor turkey wings, okay? Now we got it out of the way because I was just like fried bird. Deep fried barbecue flavor. Well, not barbecue flavor, but I'm gonna make a sauce. I'm gonna flip you over that way you don't get moist on there. That is two. Third one. Yeah, it's cooking, right? You gotta get your hands in there. Get your hands in there. Got my towel. Okay, get your hands in there. You make a little mess, you clean up. Slap that bird. Slap that bird. Number two. I got too much build up. I'm gonna wash off. Hang on 1 second, yeah? Stay tuned, yeah? So, ladies and gentlemen, remember I battered these ones? So I'm gonna fry these ones first, the unbattered one, because if I fry this one first, the flour gonna, you know, all in the oil and blah blah. So I'm gonna do this one first. Yeah? I'm gonna fry the non-coated first. No problem, you know. Yep. Give it a quick flip. Let it do its thing, yeah? Cover that up. Look, you see we're on low heat. My heat is on very low. This was already hot before and now it's on low heat. Stay tuned, yeah? Yes, folks. It's lightly fried. We're not gonna fry it all the way because we have other plans for it. So I'm gonna take it out now. Been frying for a minute. Not a minute, but like what, 10-15 minutes. Should we leave it for more? Okay. The producer said don't fry it any longer. Yeah? I hope you learned something today. Today we are doing new stuff. Now, the breaded ones. The breaded ones. the floured ones, the coated ones, the ones with the crust. We are lightly frying them. We're not frying them for too long. Light fry. Yeah? Stay tuned. Now, in the meantime, while this is frying, this is already fried, I'm going to make a sauce. I'm going to be using some Worcestershire sauce. Pawaki batize. Okay? Some barbecue sauce. Some hot sauce. Maybe some lemon. And this is the seasoning from the what's this called? From the turkey seasoning. I boiled it so it's cooked, so no salmonella. It's cooked. And I'm gonna mix it up and make something happen, okay? So I'm gonna make a sauce while this is frying. Yes folks, my sauce is done. Yeah, the great mix is done. And this is non-battered, battered, right? Coated, non-coated, and we're resting for the rest to fry. The rest of the flour ones, look, frying up. See that? I have it on some high heat, frying up. So while this is frying up, I'm gonna do my barbecue sauce, you know. Put this on the side for now. So we're gonna sauce them. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna brush them. Lucian in the kitchen, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back, okay? I'm back with some serious bird. Okay? Spreading that sauce. I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do it while we wait for the rest. So stay tuned, yeah? I hope you learned something. Yes, folks. Fried barbecue, well, special sauce. Put all over it, you know. I brush it with some special sauce. Now for the final step. Oh yes, final step. Wish me luck. Wish me luck it doesn't drop. Final step. In 3, 2, 1. We are incoming for landing. Yes. We are incoming for landing. Boom. Leave it in there. We're gonna leave it in there for what, like 15 minutes, yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. Did you like already? Did you give me a thumbs up? Can I get a thumbs up? Just a thumbs up. If you want to comment, comment. I hope you learned something, yeah? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already, you know, regular viewer, welcome back. Lucian in the kitchen. I am back to cook for you. Cook for you. For your entertainment. And for your stomach too. Alright? Stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Our finished product. Finished product. You see? Look at that. Not bad, eh? This one is the breaded one. It didn't come out as like crunchy as I wanted it to be. I think I didn't put enough cornstarch. That one, yeah. And this one is the non-breaded. See? I already ate two, so I already know how it tastes, you know. And boom. That hot sauce surprise down there, you know. So you just dip right in and you indulge. Look. Who's in the kitchen, yeah? Deep fried turkey wings. Hit that like button if this looks pretty to you. Hit that like button if you would bite into this right now. Hit that like button if you're not interested in making this right now. Let me get the fat boy. Look at that. That's a turkey wing. Oops. Look. Okay, you know what? You wanna show me? You want me to see, you wanna see me bite into it? Yeah. I don't want that guy. He's too big. Take a smaller guy. Here. Dip it in. Yeah. My sauce. Mm-hmm. Boom. Dip it in again. That's just hot sauce and barbecue sauce. Wait, I need piece of pepper on top. Come here. And I need more green. Boom. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Hit hit that like button if you wanna take a bite in this. Okay, not that side. I already bite that side here. Fresh bite for you. Look. Look at it. Look into the turkey. Look into the bird. I am still juicy. Hmm? No, I always need pepper. Boom. Okay? Lucian in the kitchen, guys. Like I'm enjoying this time. Normally, I can't wait to finish the video to go eat everything. I already ate before I already ate 2 pieces. This is my third piece. See? Yeah. Yes, folks. I hope you like the video. Oh, and I keep hearing about the balloons. I can't take down the balloons. It's not my balloons. Because we're happy every day. It's a birthday every day. So yeah, look. Turkey wings. Thanks for watching, yeah? Yeah? So. So. You know what I mean? If you want to try this, hit that like button. If you want to bite into it, like I said, hit that like button. Hit the like button. Yeah? Lucian in the kitchen. You wanted a video? I gave you a video. Right? Barbecue flavored fried bird. The bird was turkey. You guys come, oh bird, oh what bird, what bird, what? Just turkey, there's turkey. Calm down, it's just turkey. Turkey wings. Thanks for watching, eh? Thanks for coming through. Lucian in the kitchen. I ate my last piece. Drink a little gin. Enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday, eh? Go relax, go to bed early, so Monday, fully charged. You see, I'm gonna be fully charged on turkey wing. Lucian in the kitchen, I'm out. Look. O-U-T. Bye bye. Stay safe out there. Oh, big up, shout out to Q. Barber Q, Linus. Big up yourself. If you need a barber in Toronto, Q, comment below so that people know how you follow the COVID-19 protocols and give them a safe barber haircut. Well, not in the show. I don't know how you guys do it, but thanks for viewing. Yeah. Oh, and next time I promise. Next thing I will call you. I will share what I made. Okay, sir. Have a good day. Lucian in the kitchen. I'm out. Why are you still watching? You still want my turkey? I cooked it for you. Bye bye. Until the next video. I will try to make it soon, but until the next video, yeah? I hope you learned something, yeah? Can you see me? Yeah. I hope you learned something that turkey wings can be fried.